In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from your Omnisend account. Keeping your contact list clean is really important for good email performance and accurate reporting. Removing old, invalid, or unwanted contacts can help you improve deliverability and stay organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting a contact, so you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, start by going to your Omnisend dashboard. You can do this by logging into your Omnisend account in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard page, where you can see your campaigns, automations, and overall performance. Make sure you're in the right account if you manage more than one brand, because the contacts you delete will only be removed from the specific account you're currently viewing. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the section labeled Audience. Hover your mouse over Audience, and from the options that appear, click on Contacts. This will open your full contact list. Here, you'll see all the email addresses and profiles that are currently stored in your Omnisend account, along with details like subscription status and when they were added. Now, find the specific contact you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the person by their email address or name. Once you've found them, look for the small checkbox next to that contact. Click on this checkbox to select the contact. Be careful here. Make sure you're selecting the correct person, because deleting a contact is not something you can easily undo. With the contact selected, move your attention to the top of the list, where you'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on Actions to open a small drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options for managing the selected contact. From that drop-down, click on Delete. Omnisend will now ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this contact. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions. To finish the process, click on Delete again to confirm. Once you do this, the contact will be removed from your Omnisend audience. They'll no longer appear in your contact list, and they won't receive any future campaigns or automations from this account. And that's it. You've successfully